Today I'm taking the Firecore F501G green beam self-leveling plumb bob laser. Come with a carrying pouch, nice heavy duty pouch with an extra pocket in the back. Got our instructions, gives you some ideas for uses. This is the F501G, so it's 131 feet working range. Leveling accuracy is within 1/9 of an inch at 33 feet. 4 degrees self-leveling range, less than 3 seconds in leveling time. Got our operating and storage temperatures. This is a class 2 laser. Got a 1/4 and a 5/8 mount. Uses 2 AA batteries. It has an operating time of about 4 hours. IP54 rating, and we got our dimensions. One really nice thing here is we are using AA batteries, so even if you are using this thing, you need to use it all day long. As long as you've got AA batteries in stock, you'll be able to do that. So here it is. Got some nice rubber coating all the way around the outside. We've got our on-off switch, and we can see that we do have 5 different points that are going to come out. Got our 1/4 mount there on the bottom, and we got our battery clip. So we can see we got our point there on the front, we got one on the top, one on the side, one on the other side, and we got one on the bottom. So a big benefit to having just the points instead of a full-on laser line, especially if you're going to be working with a lot of other people. If everybody has one of these things, you don't want to get your lines all mixed up. With this, it's going to be a lot harder to get those mixed up. Now, if you only had the 3-point laser, if you wanted to confirm that that was level, you would have to take that guy, spin it 180 degrees, and then check that. But because we have laser points on 3 sides, that is going to make checking that much easier. It does come with an adapter for an industrial laser level tripod. You can see you got that 5/8 mount there on the bottom. We got a 1/4 there on the top, and we can attach that with the little wheel on the bottom. So that will just screw into there, and you can see because this is kind of offset, that will give us plenty of room so we can have that point coming out the bottom. Will not be interfering with that tripod. We also have some magnets here on the back, so if you're dealing with metal framing, you can just stick that right to that framing. We also have magnets here on the front, so if you want to attach that to the bottom of metal framing, we have that as an option. And we can see that if we tilt that so it is no longer within leveling range, the lights just shut off. So there'll be no chance you're going to accidentally mark those points wrong. So yeah, if you're doing anything with metal framing, that is going to be a very handy tool to have.